yangizona ithatha isikhathi because like lento leka nami ngiyazama sibe ukuthi ngiproduce mara lento le hayi umfana mina ngeke ngazama hayi mfana hayi boy hayi mina studio sikhona ngisho ngama producer abafethu afuna ukuproduce zwakalana sikhulumeni business yilo ka mina ka ni into engizathi studio yena le ka ipain ka yokubhadala abantu ka abane studio zabo
so I click on producer in tournament
that depend ngithi mina like mina to mina
say yours but say like overall industry because if you say yours you are exposing your craft
ya industry angicazi kapha ka depend abantu bakhona bayi10 engomeni lo
10 producer
yeah 5 producers 3 vocals
ngithi mara ngithi mina asithi wena producer yakho ngokuthatha splitana obviously I am 50-50 substitute
it depend ukuthi itrekela abani
let's say that wena
yimi to mina it depend itrekela abani
isithi
ukuthi uyenze le studio sabani ke to mina kimi kunjani
mina ngiproduce ye studio somewhere enza umculo
sharp ngaza ku wena
number yelakho
bari number yelami kanjani lapho mhlawumbe abumbhadalisi
yeah mara tournament sendala
mawumbhadalisile bese ngakaya
500 for 300
ngawangibhadalisa ukuthi ngizoshaya itrack ku angiguy next mina mina ngiguy next vele leyo ka cause ngibhadalila ngithi
so like for ukuthi umbhadalile already for your future
ngibhadale everything mina ngiguy number lami ngihamba bona ngisakufaka lapho
okay wena ungibhadalisa
angibhadalisa ngisesikhuluma ke
like I'm saying like if you are in that situation now
mina yimi produce uze studio sami wena azoproduce
mina ngizoproduce
so fear one ngizokubhalile ngise studio sami 2 yimi producer beat from scratch 3 yimi ngimasterayo ngithona
so ungafuna
uze ngevocal kuphela
ufuna umuntu ese
so like wena mhlawumbe ngakugaya one